Hello everyone, this is Huidu Technology. Today we would like to introduce our T08F synchronous transmitter box from Huidu Technology. When the LED display control room or broadcast control center is particularly far from the screen due to the electrical signal transmission distance has limitations. At this time, it needs to convert electrical signal to optical signals. In addition, if you need to wire more than one long network cable in the construction site, the wiring will be complex and is not conducive for the maintenance. For this kind of LED display application scenario, we have launched the T08F sending card with its own optical port, which on one hand can simplify the wiring, and on the other hand, with FT08 fiber optic signal receiver, it can achieve ultra-long distance signal transmission. T08F sending card is equipped with DP 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 interface, supporting two kinds of signal source to choose one input. It supports maximum capacity of 5.2 million pixels, maximum width of 8,192 pixels, maximum height 8,192 pixels, and multiple seamless splicing. It supports maximum 4K video signal input of 4096 plus 2160 at 60 Hz and point-to-point display. At the same time, it is equipped with 8-channel gigabit network port as standard, which can be directly cascaded to the receiving card. And each network port carries 650,000 pixels. It can reach a maximum of 5.2 million pixels of synchronous point-to-point output display. Multiple T08F can also be seamlessly spliced together to achieve a large resolution screen with the MS series multimedia server to meet the demand for ultra-long, ultra-high, and ultra-large resolution screen control. What's more, T08F is equipped with 2-channel single-mode dual-core 10 gigabit optical port. Two optical ports copy output, mutual backup. Each optical port can transmit 8-channel gigabit network port data, support up to 10 kilometers of video signal transmission. When using T08F at the sending end, you only need to use FT08 fiber optical transceiver at the receiving end to receive the optical signal transmitted by T08F transmitter box and forward them to 8 channels network port output electrical signal and then output to the receiving card. It is very suitable for synchronization situations where the screen signal transmission distance is long and the signal real-time requirements is high and the resolution is high. In order to make our T08F easier to use, T08F also comes standard with Wi-Fi function. Users can realize wireless control through PC software. It can also be controlled by optical wireless remote control. If you want to know more about our product, welcome to subscribe our social media platform.